Welcome to Lingala Institute, lesson 58. I am hungry. Naza na Nzala. Naza na Nzala. Olambi nini? I am hungry. What did you cook? Lambaki loso na madesu. I cooked rice and beans. Est-ce, bana nyoso deja? Have all the children eaten? Fiston aliaki kasi naye nanu te. Fiston has eaten, but his other relatives have not eaten yet. Bandaki lala tango biloko ebelaki. They were sleeping when food was ready. Baza wapi? Where are they? Aline kaka lala na tindi Arnold asombela mayi. Alina is still sleeping. I sent Arnold to buy water for you. Ebongo milangi ya mayi oyo nayaki nango lobi. How about bottles of water that I brought yesterday? Namonaki yango te. I did not see them. Nacheki yango sima ya kiti po esika ezalaki te. I put it behind the chair because there was no space. Mayi oyo Arnold akoya nango ekosunga ata mukolo mosusu. The water that Arnold will bring will help another day. Part 2. The verb to look is koluka in Lingala. Nazoluka, I am looking. Ozoluka, you are looking. Azoluka, she is looking. Tozoluka, we are looking. Bozoluka, you are looking. Bazoluka, they are looking. Example: Nazoluka mutumoko oyo aebi ko bongisa ba ordinateur. I am looking for someone who knows how to fix computers. Kotala means to look, as to look in a particular direction. Tala likolo, look up. Tala nasima, look behind. Nazotala yo, I am looking at you. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. A new lesson on the 1st and the 16th of every month. Please subscribe